2 years old na mahigit si Ayon, and kahit in denial ako, medyo delayed speech talaga siya. Sometimes napapaisip na lang talaga ako, why? Meron na din naman siyang basic words na nasasabi like, Mama, Papa, Stop, No, No. Pero I can't stop comparing na ba't si ganito ang galing na niya magsalita. But then, sabi naman ng karamihan, iba-iba ang milestone ng bata. Pero I didn't stop. Nag-search ako ng pwede kong gawin or steps to help my child. Kaya naman napadownload ako ng Milo Speech Buddy app. Milo Speech Buddy is a speech development system to help children who have delayed speech or yung may mga conditions like autism. Meron na din itong demonstration on how to start. Just click the getting started para mas maunawaan ang paggamit nito. For me, I won't stop guiding and helping my child on his journey. Sa tulong nga natin, Power Parents, ay darating yung time na magiging okay din ang ating mga anak. Tiyagain lang natin sila, and with the help of Milo Speech Buddy app, tiyak na magde-develop din yung speech system nila. I-download mo na rin to.